Four sexual assault cases against minors in their own schools in past 4 months. Bangalore has turned into a hotbed of protests after another minor fell prey to the predators at school. But Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has conveniently shirked off responsibility, and he's put the blame on the school management. Insensitivity or brazen high-handedness. The question is, if 4 minor rapes within 4 months is not good enough for the state government to act, then what is?
The police department is taking actions against the persons who have committed rape. The already case is registered, the accused person is arrested. But these rapes are taking place in the premises of the schools, particularly in the private schools. The management of the private schools, they have to take care of all these things. But you know, we have issued circular to all the managements of the private schools, and once again we will take note of this and we will serious about this. We are going to act on this.
That's what he said today, but also listen into what Mr. Shirk, Minister of Karnataka, had to say when the first incident took place in July.
What is the latest?
Yes.
The rape story or
rape.
About an alleged sexual abuse of a child of 6 years of age by a faculty member of this particular school. His name is Jai Shankar, and he is said to be teaching Hindi. Now the two incidents have occurred on 28th and 29th of this month, and the child has reported the matter to the mother, and a case has been registered. Now medical examination reveals that there was a sexual abuse of the child. Police have registered a case under section 376 of the IPC for rape and have taken up the investigation. Now, as part of the investigation, we have arrested the accused person. During the interrogation, the accused person has confessed to having committed this crime. We are continuing the investigation, wherein we will take the further next necessary steps for the child to be examined by a judicial magistrate, by counsellors, etc., and take all necessary action that is necessary to be taken in this case for the purpose of investigation.
So will the chairman of the management be arrested? What is the role of the management here?
Now, as far as the role of management is concerned, prima facie at this point in time, I would like to clarify that we do not see any culpability on the part of anybody other than the person who has committed this particular crime. Because this is a crime that he has committed by taking the child away from the classroom to a nearby toilet room, and the child was lured by him. Personally, he went and took the child, so there was no third person who was involved, as our investigation reveals at this point in time. But as and when, if investigation reveals any culpable act by anybody of an omission or commission, culpability being important under any of the existing laws, we will not hesitate to take any action.
Meanwhile, the accused has admitted to committing the crime, and the Bangalore police will produce the accused in court.
We have questioned him thoroughly, and very soon we are going to show the arrest of that person. He seems to be the accused in this case, but like formal announcement will be made later in the day at appropriate level, and other things like he'll be subsequently then produced before the court, and then 164 statement as per the POCSO Act provision, that will be in respect of like the victim, we will get it conducted, and other formalities whatever is there, that we will take action with regard to that. And here we have come to see that what are the implementation about the guidelines issued by Commissioner of Police Bangalore City. So we have found that so many things which was meant to be implemented that had not been implemented till now. So we'll bring it to the notice of the Honorable High Court also, because next date of hearing is on 7th of November, and definitely Honorable High Court will take a serious view about this thing.
It is having all the permissions. It is having English medium permission from nursery to class 1 to 10th standard. Regarding permission, there is no doubting and all.
What about the norms? Are they?
No, they are having state syllabus. They are having permission for teaching state syllabus.
What about the security requirements that you recently?
No, it is all covered. It is all covered. Regarding CC cameras, they have given, they are installed everything. Once again, I will check. They are still investigating the thing. After getting the report, we will take. Definitely, we are taking the disciplinary action.
So from your side, there is no violations at all. From education department side.
No, everything is covered.